Hello, Water Refilling Station Webinar. Meron po kaming webinar na gagawin this coming November 7, 8, and 9. That's Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. It is all about water refilling station. Kung gusto niyo matuto paano mag-maintain, paano ang tamang operation, paano mag-repair, mag-troubleshoot, membrane cleaning, rehab ng media filters, and then paano mag-wire at troubleshoot ng mga magnetic starter. Join us on our webinar this coming November 7, 8, and 9, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. At napaka-basic po, napakadali na namin tuturo. Meron po itong technical support. So kung may nakalimutan kayo, pwede po ninyong kaming tawagan or message. And then, meron po itong recording for a month. So pwede nyo i-review yung mga bagay na hindi nyo nakuha. Pwede po kayong magtanong. Meron pong technical support. Pwede kayo tumawag anytime or mag-message kung meron kayong mga ibang problema na kailangan nyo ng advice or solution. Don't miss this chance this coming November 7, 8, and 9. Join us in our webinar. And every month po meron po kaming webinar. So you reserve your slot, invest in yourself, try to learn something new, at sigurado kung marami po kayo matututunan at makakasave po kayo ng marami if you have the skill and the knowledge to operate your own water refilling station. Yun lang po, and I will see you there. God bless.